want to flip it?
Oh yeah, here we go. We're recording, guys. I think we're on here.
When you record yourself, okay?
Okay.
But when you want to see, just leave it like that. Just leave it like that. Okay?
Thank you, Mommy.
Just turn it on?
Yeah, it's on.
All right.
Hi, guys. We're in a quality increase really quick. So I could show you something insane, crazy, the epitome of development that we all been looking forward to.
Wow, that's a big group in front of us.
And you'll not see it yet because there's a humongous crowd of people. Right now, it's gonna be really quick. And bet your bottom dollar it's gonna be quick. The epitome of you know, that stuff.
Avocado ice cream.
Let's go. On like, you know, change and stuff. Yeah. I want to surprise you all. Because this is my vlog for Friday. We went from the void and now we're going over here. Behold. Just wait, one more food and wine. One more
Still closed. Doesn't open till 10:30.
Oh, till 10?
10:30.
Wait, I see people going in.
No, I'm talking about the food and wine stuff.
Oh yeah, the food and wine that's closed. Till 10:30 at this time right now. But we're almost there, guys. We're almost there.
Okay, go straight though so you can get the front.
Almost there.
Go. Walk ahead. Go to the bridge first. Focus on what you're looking at.
Not yet. I want to surprise them. Behold. Behold. Okay, let's see. Zoom in.
It's the same.
No.
What's different? Oh, the roller coaster part is red.
It's red.
Here, let's get closer.
But go in.
Big Thunder Mountain Roller.
You know that one closed tube? I forgot to mention in my first one.
Okay, there's stairs. Watch where you're going.
Oh wait, I don't know if King Triton's on construction yet. Or it was just an error from some people.
Here, right here.
Man, the zoom quality is perfect. Oh my! More things got repainted! Look at the Ferris wheel!
Where?
It's blue.
Oh, it's blue and then red?
No, it's gonna be all blue. I think they were putting this time into advantage of repainting. The boardwalk games are going, but it's starting to look a little happier. And a little bit more magical. Oh.
Here, let me see. Let's zoom in some of that stuff.
Is there a flash?
Yeah.
Someone's wandering up there to still repaint.
The wheel is already green and red. But you're saying it's just going to be blue?
It's just gonna be that.
The color on the bottom?
Yeah.
Oh.
They're almost done because they haven't got the scaffolding.
So the progress from the other day to today is they painted the tube. And that's where what's her name is going to be? Elastigirl?
Yeah, that.
They still didn't put up the sign yet. That's still where Ariel's grotto used to be, right?
Yeah, wait, you're recording now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
So go.
Now we see all that stuff. Repainted. Insane, right? That's where they're gonna have all the projections and 43-foot long. This is incredible. Correct me in the comment section if I was wrong. But there's gonna be like a 40-foot or 40-foot something long. And this is incredible over there. In that tube. Yep.
Okay, let's walk towards the other side and see what they have. Look, they painted the gold.
Whoa.
Right?
Now, let's take a closer look at this stuff. yet.
Nope, still there. Where you meet Woody
And stuff, yeah.
and Buzz and Jesse.
Back where the old Malibu used to be. And where they're gonna put the inside out, right? Taking out the tree. This is fun.
It looks cool, huh? The tube now? Red and black?
Is that the first tube right there?
Huh?
Wait, over there. Come on. Or is that another tube because it's blue?
I think that's the old one. It's still blue.
That one?
Looks like the old one.
It's still. Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, that area is still closed now. So they're doing that area also.
Why are there people there at the Cove Bar?
Let's go. Let's go and find out. I think I know. Maybe those are the freshly paint.
Yep, they freshly painted the gold on it too.
Does anyone know that there's a Paradise Pier beach? Look, wait, look. Does anyone notice that there's a Paradise Pier beach? Let's go. Okay. Have you good? Okay, let's go, guys.
Here you go.
Okay,
It's
let's
on.
go.
It's on. Hold it tight.
Said Paradise Pier. Let's see what they've changed over the past
Hey,
few
they
weeks.
did open the Cove Bar.
They did?
Yeah, look. They reopened it.
I think for a little bit. Wait. Let me see. They reopened the Cove Bar? But that doesn't mean that Ariel's Grotto isn't under construction. Nope.
Nope, still under construction.
Still, I think you already know what those are. No, these things.
Look, they changed this already.
What?
Pillars.
Well,
They changed it.
they've
Don't you
changed.
remember it was covered? Look, this. This.
Oh yeah, that was covered.
They changed that.
Yeah,
I
that's.
forget. Look, they made it match the thing. They took off the covers.
Oh yeah.
So now it's open.
Now let's see.
The Cove Bar.
It's officially open.
The Cove Bar is open again
But that doesn't mean Ariel's
for a short
Grotto-
period of time.
But that doesn't mean Ariel's.
For a short period of time.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean that Ariel's Grotto is under construction. That's complete opposite, eh? Oh
Eh?
my God!
That's the store. They're not open yet.
But look,
The ice cream thing is still closed.
That's where the guy is going to be, like the abominable snowman from Monsters.
Uh-huh.
He's gonna have his own shop there. Now, those old things and that. King Triton closed!
What? King Triton closed?
No, it wasn't a lie on the internet.
What?
Whoa!
What are they gonna make that into again?
So Jesse's Roundup, I think?
Jesse's Roundup?
Oh yeah, and Moramania got open. Let's see that too from a different angle. And less of the thing is coming out randomly. You can see a little bit more of Mania this time. But King Triton is now closed.
King Triton is closed.
I don't think that they did anything yet.
Nope.
Not even the slowest taking out those things.
This side looks the same still.
Yeah, just less and less stuff is open. It's just Mania. Because all they're doing is just a repainting of that. Wait, you're still recording?
I got it.
You're still recording?
Yep.
Heck yeah. Mommy. It seems like I was working on the stand.
Maybe. And that's as far as you can go, ladies and gentlemen.
Not yet. We're not done.
That's it.
We're not done. We're still looking at some of the coverage. Now let's see. Where will they have the buses, the complete monstrous chars of the bus churros thing? I think that one's right there. Or there would be that lunchbox thingy, that rip-off of McDonald's.
Let's go see what we see back there.
Let's see. Now we can cover King Triton because now that's closed.
It is what? It is closed.
Oh, look.
It is closed.
Not just it's closed.
And it's still stinky back here.
Yeah.
Still stinky.
Yeah, 'cause we're very close to the door.
It's very stinky. That's it. They closed you down.
Not yet.
It's closed.
Yeah, but let's really quick.
You go see if you can peek. Go see if you can peek. Looks the same. Looks the same to me.
Does it?
Okay, I got it.
It looks way different.
Looks the same. Looks the same to me.
Does it?
Okay, I got it.
It looks way different.